Hello peeps, how's it going? This is a hillbilly halfwit and he's a bit hungover this morning, so nothing happening to this today. But we've got it all back in one piece. Finally this is in one piece, and you can see the chassis is all together again. We've got lots more welding and things to do on here, but it's in one lump again. So I'll turn you around so you can see it a bit better. I've been using this power weld. I don't know, did I mention it before? Welder is working brilliant. Excellent purchase. So I think I showed you before, I purchased this back bit from here to there off eBay because it was easier than making all that, and that was 200 quid, that bit. And I've made box sections. Hold on, let me just move the weld out of the way. I made box sections here and there out of this stuff. I'll just show you. I think I did show you before, but you can see that stuff, look. Two pieces welded together, look. So I've plug welded it there and in here because I got like a box section going in there, so it's plug welded in that side of the original chassis. Plug welded here. Whoop! Don't want to break my welder, do we? And it's done the same there, look. So, and over there. So that was MIG'd. I did the actual box section stuff with MIG originally, and then I thought I'd rather do it in arc welding so it'd be stronger. So I redid all this in arc welding because it's a bit stronger, and I've never had an arc weld break, to be honest with you. So I thought I'd better do that in arc welding. So it's pretty straight, fair play to it. Pretty good. The one looks like it's a little bit off, but it isn't, because I had to cut down the actual steel to go into this here. So, because I'd made it a bit wider up there, so it went down like that. And the same here. It went down like that. So that's all done. It's plug welded here. Well, if you don't know, it means drilling the hole and then welding straight through the hole. And the same here. This all wants tidying up, obviously. It's plug welded there and here. And what we're going to do here now is, well, not today. I love arc welding, I always have. There we are, look at that. I've always been pretty good at arc welding. We're going to make some kind of a T section here, so it's like that, to go on top of there to strengthen that bit up. And then we're going to have a 90 shaped piece like that here. That's going to be welded on there to keep that solid. And same there, look. And then we have them plates that I showed you that are over there, stood up, that they're going to be going, it's going to be coming from here, all right over that, either just to there, or it's going to go across onto there, I'm not sure yet. We might even have two bolts going through in the areas just to be 100% sure, because you don't know, like this is old chassis after all, but it's not bad. So I'm quite pleased with how that's come on. That's been a lot of work getting that far. So the next awkward bit is where the suspension goes. These here had to be measured right on each side. That was very fiddly getting all this square, I have to be honest with you. So, but also there's a suspension pivot that goes on here where my hand is, that has to be cut through and welded into this box. I haven't done that yet. So that's the next job. So that's looking a bit, not looking the prettiest, but I'm going to have to grind that off flat anyway to put that other plate on. So There's a bit more welding to do down there. Oh. So I haven't been doing this today. Gotta be honest. I got onto the Stellar Artois last night and I am not fit for bugger all today. I saw my old mates and we had a cracking time. But I still can't stick the beer like I used to. Jesus. I absolutely love the taste of that Stellar Artois, but it just sends me, what they call it, wife beater, don't they? Or something, that's what the nickname is, Stellar Artois. But I've never beat anybody. It tends to beat me up. But, there we are. That's the vid today. It's looking quite good, you know. I've actually got a bit more confidence now with the welder, because the welder's working better. It's just the man on it this time. My other welder was not working correctly, and there's nothing worse than when you're having problems or something like that. It gets you a bit worked up. So that's working well. We've got a good bit more welding to do here yet to strengthen this all up, but it's progress. We're moving forward. So hopefully, if we can get this bit here sorted next week, so all this welding is done with, that's hopefully, cross fingers, what we can do. There's a lot of fiddly work left yet, but hopefully by the end of next week we can have this lot sorted so we can put some suspension on here or something the week after, because I haven't actually bought the springs yet. But and then we'll move on to there. There's some welding to do on the chassis up the front corner up here where the steering box is. But the other bits aren't too bad. But I'm thinking I might just go over it all and strengthen it up anyway, but I haven't made that decision yet. But we're working okay. So please comment, rate and subscribe to see how Tommy, my dad's Landrover, is progressing. Ta-da!